In less than 3 minutes, let's talk about some things that you probably didn't know about the 401k. What is a 401k? A 401k plan is a retirement savings and investing plan that your employer offers. So for the year 2021, you can contribute up to $19,500 to your 401k account. If your employer doesn't offer the 401k, you still have the option to invest in a traditional IRA or a Roth IRA. I will post a video link about the Roth IRA now. What is a 401k employer match? Not every company offers this, but if your company does, make sure you take advantage of that because that is free money on your table. Let's say you make $65,000 before taxes every year and you get paid every 2 weeks. Your paycheck will be $2,500 every 2 weeks before taxes. If your employer says, hey, I will match up to 50% of your contribution if you contribute 6% of your paycheck, then here's how the math works. 6% of $2,500 is $150. So that's how much your personal contribution is every 2 weeks. Your employer sees that you contributed 6% of your paycheck to your 401k, so now they will put 50% of your contribution or 3% of $2,500, which equals to $75 as the employer contribution. So now you have $150 plus $75 equals $225 into your 401k every 2 weeks. That's $3,900 in personal contribution and $1,950 employer contribution every year. That's almost $2,000 in free money from your employer every year into your 401k account. My number one investment priority for the FIRE journey is to invest into the 401k up to the employer match every year. What is the difference between traditional 401k and Roth 401k? The big difference is when you want to pay taxes. Do you want to pay your taxes now or do you want to pay your taxes when you retire? If you choose to contribute to the traditional 401k, then the contributions will be your pre-tax dollars. However, you're going to have to pay your taxes when you start withdrawing at the age of 59 and a half. If you choose Roth 401k, that means you're contributing with after-tax dollars, meaning you can't lower your income tax. However, when you retire at the age of 59 and a half, you can withdraw all of your contributions and interest tax-free. If you think you're going to be in the higher tax bracket when you retire, then the Roth option might be the right choice for you. Thanks for watching. Check out the new FIRE video coming out tomorrow on Sunday at 9 a.m. Have a good one.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more FIRE videos.